A for apple. B for bee. C for candle. D for dolphin. E for engine. F for frog. G for gate. H for helicopter. I for ink. J for jelly. K for key. L for ladder. M for mushroom. N for newspaper. O for octopus. P for pumpkin. Q for quill. R for ring. S for sandwich. T for tent. U for yarn. V for volcano. W for visitor. X for X-ray machine. Y for York. Z for zucchini.